The trees are whispering through the air, secrets of a love so rare. The river flows, it understands the bond we share, the touch of hands. The mountains rise, the valleys low. Nature sees our love and knows. The sun will shine, the rain will fall. Through every season, we have it all. The meadow blooms beneath our feet, a sacred place where hearts can meet. The stars above are guiding light, they watch our love through endless nights. The meadow blooms beneath our feet, a sacred place where hearts can meet. The stars above are guiding light, they watch our love through endless nights. The mountains rise, the valleys low. Nature sees our love and knows. The sun will shine, the rain will fall. Through every season, we have it all. Winds will change, the tides may turn, but the earth remains with lessons learned. Through roots and skies, it softly shows how deep our love, how far it grows. The birds will sing, the forest hum. Our love will last as days become. Years that pass like rivers flow, and nature knows, yes, nature knows.